So I'm Dan, I'm the store manager from the Blackpool store, and
I'm Danny, and I'm the operations manager from the Blackpool store.
so just a little bit about the Wickes community project. So it's probably been, in terms of charity, it's probably been the biggest game changer that we've had over the last few years. So we've, as store leaders, we've always been approached for charitable donations from local groups. What the Wickes community projects help us to achieve is to have something that we know that we can utilise to support those local groups.
Hi, I'm Andy and this is Paul, and we're from Wickes in Warrington, and we're going to show you about our community project.
Right, well, welcome to the Puddle Project, an adult education centre for people with disabilities and learning needs. Let's go take a look. So this is the main part of the learning centre, where we've donated a load of power tools so they can build, grow, maintain hen houses, chicken coops, and keep, I don't know if you can see that, but keep the pesky goats behind bars because they eat everything.
Hi, my name's Alison and I work for a charity called the Princess Project. We're a charity supporting mums in the Medway and Maidstone areas in Kent, and we just want to say a huge thank you to Wickes for supplying us with a shed to keep our baby bank in. I hope you can see it behind me. We've got boxes of clothes and nappies and milk and toys and all sorts of stuff to give out to mums in need. So thank you, Wickes, for supporting our work, and it's going to make a huge difference. Thank you.